This is You Online TV YouTube channel. This time we are moving to Rocky Falls, which lies in Sandy, United States, in Waterfalls Mountain. The Rocky Mount Trailhead is located at 11,200 South Waterfalls Boulevard in Sandy, Utah. The trail is short at just under a half-mile one-way, but packs in some fantastic scenery, including one of the most scenic waterfalls in the area. From the Rocky Mount Trailhead, begin hiking up the stairs at the northeast end of the parking area. The stair climb to Eagle View Drive. The trail leaves the street about 250 yards of the road. There is no trailhead parking along Eagle View Drive. Though short in distance, this hike doesn't have some steep, rocky section as it climbs nearly 300 feet in elevation over just under half a mile. Rocky Mount Falls is a fantastic family-friendly hike to a beautiful 70-foot waterfall on the southeast side of the Salt Lake Valley. With us, we have Paul Rai in this hiking adventure with a camera person, Raz Kali. After watching our video, I hope you just like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe You Online TV. Have a good day. Thank you.